Amazon Elastic Block Store, EBS, on AWS. Welcome to our Amazon Elastic Block Store, EBS, training. By the end of this training, you will understand the key features and benefits of Amazon EBS. Learn how to optimize performance and scalability of EBS volumes. Explore security and compliance measures for EBS. Identify cost optimization strategies for using Amazon EBS. Here are the most critical features and how to leverage them. EBS volumes are designed for high durability and availability. How to ensure durability? EBS volumes offer 99.999% availability. Action. Create snapshots regularly to prevent data loss. Different EBS volume types cater to various performance needs. How to choose volume types. Select based on your workload needs. Action. Use IO2 for high-performance databases and GP3 for general workloads. EBS snapshots provide essential backup solutions. How to manage snapshots. Utilize incremental snapshots for efficient backups. Action. Automate snapshot management with AWS Backup. Performance optimization is key for efficiency. How to optimize performance. Monitor EBS metrics using CloudWatch. Action. Adjust volume types and sizes as needed. Security measures protect your data effectively. How to ensure security. Use AWS KMS for encryption. Action. Implement IAM policies for access control. Now let's check our knowledge retention with a couple of real-world example scenarios. Using EBS for high-performance databases like MySQL or PostgreSQL. Pause and check. Is this EBS volume suitable for your database? Your action should be: evaluate performance needs before selection. Implementing disaster recovery solutions with EBS snapshots. Pause and analyze. Are you prepared for a data loss situation? If the answer is no, implement snapshot strategies immediately. Hosting enterprise applications such as SAP on EBS. Pause and reflect. Is your application utilizing the right volume type? Your action should be: assess your application needs regularly. Utilizing ST1 volumes for big data analytics workloads. Pause and review. Are you utilizing cost-effective storage options? Your action should be: consider ST1 volumes for big data analytics. Now let's recap on what you learned and what you need to remember. EBS provides high durability and availability for critical applications. Choosing the right volume type is essential for performance and cost efficiency. Snapshots are a powerful tool for backup and disaster recovery. Security measures like encryption and IAM policies are crucial for compliance. Explore Amazon EBS in your AWS environment to enhance your application's performance and reliability. Thank you for being a part of our Amazon EBS training.